This dance is called high tip. 16 count, 4 waltz. The level is high beginner, rolling 8 count. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, walk right and left. Forward, right, walk left. Do a jazz box. Cross, back, side. Continue a weave to your right. In front, side, behind. Step your right to right with a sway. Sway right and sway left. Step right forward, lifting up, left to the back. As you lift up, you can lift up your arms up. Continue with 3 running steps to the back, left, right, left. Left, right, left. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up. Section 2. Make a quarter turn to your right with a sway. Sway right, sway left. Cross, rock, recover with your right. Cross, recover, side. Repeat to the left. Cross, recover, side. Step your right forward. Make a pivot half turn to the left. Step your right forward. Lift up your left and make a back coaster. Back together forward. Let me show you section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and up.